All right, AZ Taco Review, the taco spot right here. The truth is, I've been here before, but I've only had this. Rob, show them. The birria ramen and the birria tacos. Now, I'll just tell you right now, that's like a 9.3, okay? That is absolutely amazing. I came here on the recommendation of someone else, not ordering that today. Gotta stay true to the game, gotta stay true to the carne asada. But this right here, you would never expect ramen, right, with the taco and the whole thing, like it doesn't go well. You would think that it doesn't, but it actually does. It's actually amazing. We're gonna have a special guest for this one. He's coming here shortly, but this is the taco spot. I know that they have the carne asada. I've seen the taco before. I've never had it. Let's give it a try. All right, I told you we have a special guest. President and CEO of Rock U Entertainment, Mr. JJ Johnson is in the house. He's a professional taco eater, and on the weekends likes to host parties, correct?
Yeah, and eat tacos as well.
And eat tacos. So we're gonna do this standing up because it's 1 billion degrees right here on those metal chairs that are just directly in the sun. But
What's hotter, those chairs or this sauce?
I don't know. Is that sauce smell hot?
No.
All right, we'll see. Lettuce, tomato, looks like some cheese in there as well. And she called this the habanero sauce. So let's put a little bit on here. JJ likes a sauce on his, he said.
Oh,
he did the whole thing.
Just did the whole thing.
He's not here to mess around. I almost cursed. That's a pretty healthy taco. Now I can tell you this, the first impression is the tortilla might give out. It's a little soggy.
So.
No, yours is good? Yours is good? All right, let's try it.
You got a taco cheers.
Hey, taco cheers.
Taco cheers.
Dude, look at this. There's carnage everywhere.
It's all over the place. On my shoes.
What I told them earlier was,
Oh no,
what is it?
I dropped the carne.
Get your shit. Did you drink on the golf course?
Did I drink on the golf course?
All right. Drunk Taco Reviews with JJ. He just got done playing golf. What I told the people was, I've had the birria ramen with the birria tacos.
Yeah.
That's like a 9.3.
Is it really?
Oh, it's just that good. But I never had the carne asada, so this is the first rating of the carne asada. Go ahead.
You know what we forgot to do?
A little squeeze of lime.
Gotta do that.
All right, so your second bite's gonna get a little lime on it. Pretty sure we got an offer up transaction going here. People are exchanging money, perhaps a drug deal. We're not really sure.
That's how you know the taco's gonna be good.
We're on Chandler Boulevard in McQueen on Ithaca, and I'm pretty sure a drug deal just went down. JJ got a little lime. He's a mess. All right, so let's go. You rate it while I chew out of 10.
8.4.
Wow.
8.4.
Wow.
You know why? I just saw this. You can drink the juice.
He's got slurp juice. Slurp juice.
That's how you know.
Wow. That's the taco's very good. I'm in between the high 7s and the low 8s. I mean, I think he kind of influenced me. Yeah, he influenced me. I think I'm an 8.1. It's the meat's super tender. The little bit of cheese in there is something that you normally don't get on like a carne asada street taco. You get the cilantro, you get the onions, but a little bit of cheese is nice. So I'm gonna go 8.1. JJ is an 8.3. So there you go, 8.1, 8.3. You gotta get here and by the way, get one carne asada taco, get one birria taco, get the birria ramen, and just have yourself a feast. 8.3 for JJ, 8.1 for me. Chandler Boulevard in McQueen, drug deal on the side. That's a review.